Hello, YouTube, hello. Xin chào mọi người. Bây giờ học tiếng Việt. Do you speak in English? Hello. I'm from Lithuania.
I'm from Vietnam.
Wow, that's so beautiful. And we go đi báo. Okay, so this kid telling me I can go inside and xin chào các bạn và chào mừng đến với một video nữa ở đây ở Binh Hoa. Well, that was kind of an intro. So today I came to a really beautiful church that is in Binh Hoa city next to Vincentê, I think. And the church name is Nat Thờ Dong Vinh. And it's really, really beautiful, guys. So it looks like a castle. I think I spotted a good time because it's the evening and the lights are up as well. It's something unreal, guys. Look at this church. It's made out of stones. So I think the people just coming out from here because he was praying. Hello. Hello, xin chào mọi người. Okay, so let's go inside. Some funny children. So look at that, guys. Okay, so maybe we start from the very beginning. So that's the main entrance in here. And I think it's a good time because the prayer is finished now and all the people out, so I might be able to film inside as well. Okay, so where do we go? Maybe we'll go on the other side first. Hello! Hello! YouTube, hello! Xin chào mọi người! Okay, some funny kids, they want to be in the video, so they might follow me. Okay.
Hello!
Hello! Okay, so if we go there, there's a long wall in here. Hello!
Where are you from?
I'm from Lithuania.
I'm from Vietnam.
I'm from Vietnam as well. Now I live in Vietnam. I live in Binh Hoa.
How are you?
Sorry?
How old are you?
I am 38. 38 tuổi. How old are you? How?
And 11.
Sorry?
Anh biết nói tiếng Việt đúng không?
Tiếng Việt một chút.
Where do you live?
I live in Binh Hoa.
Biên Hòa. Ủa? Đâu?
Tân Phong.
Tân Phong Biên Hòa.
Yeah.
Đâu?
Bây giờ đi ở đây quay video ở YouTube. Là Nat Thờ đẹp. Rất là đẹp. Do you live in here? Do you live here? Em sống ở đấy. Okay. So let's make a video, okay? Maybe you can go with me. Okay, so.
Anh đến đây bằng phương tiện nào hả anh? Anh đến đây bằng phương tiện.
I don't know. Can you help me? So do you live in here, guys? Do you live in here?
Living here.
Sống ở đấy?
Anh sống ở đây.
Em sống ở đấy? Okay. Hello. I speak Vietnamese a little, một chút. Bây giờ học tiếng Việt. Do you speak in English? No. Yes, you speak. Do you speak in English? Do you speak in English? No? Okay, so let's see. Hello. Okay, so let's continue the tour. Very beautiful.
Vâng, anh có thể vô đây.
Can I go inside?
Vâng. Có thể. Đây, bên trong nhà thờ.
Wow, that's so beautiful. And we go đi báo. Okay, so this kid telling me I can go inside and make a. Wow, that's so beautiful. Ở đây Con muốn xong video đấy, quay video đấy.
Quay video.
Yeah.
Vâng.
Yeah, một chút đi. Wow, this is so beautiful, guys. So just after the pray, and they allow me to go inside and film the video. This is so beautiful, guys. So all the church is made out of the stones. This is something unique, guys. Wow, look at that. Look at this structure and how high is it? Wow, so beautiful. All the sculptures and everything in there, guys. It's just something unreal. You don't see these churches every day, you know, but this church caught my eye and I wanted to come during the daytime, but I came in the evening. Okay, so I think we can go out. You've seen the inside.
Wow. Vẻ đẹp của xung quanh
Yeah.
giáo xứ.
Yeah.
Sắc đẹp chi phù.
Vâng, đẹp. Rất là đẹp. Đây là nhà thờ Sơ Mót ở Biên Hòa. Đây là bên cũ. Hồ Nai.
Vâng.
Đây là nhà thờ Sơ Mót ở Hồ Nai.
Vâng.
Wow. Rất là đẹp. Wow. Okay, so I think that's like a steel structure. Maybe look at these ceilings in here, guys. So beautiful, nicely made in here. Well done. And look how many people can come in here to pray. They have many doors in here. Wow, very
Which
beautiful.
country are you from?
So I am from Lithuania. Litva, nước Litva, Litso.
Liên Xô.
Pháp.
Pháp. Fan.
Gần Pháp. Litso. Đây là một nước nhỏ. Nước Litva ở châu Âu. Nước Litva.
Liên Xô đúng không anh? Liên Xô Fan. Gần Fan.
Gần Ba La. Biết Ba La?
Ba Lan.
Gần Ba Lan.
Rồi.
Nước nhỏ. Nước Litva có 3 triệu người.
How long have you been to Vietnam?
3 năm.
3 năm.
3 năm 4 tháng.
Wow. Good job.
I live in here, yes. So we go around. Maybe we go around.
Wow.
Okay. So that's another nice sculpture. I think there's a year like 1618. And there's a Jesus in here, giving a key. Look at that, guys. What a beautiful building is this. You don't see these churches every day. You know, you have to look for it. But in Vietnam, because Vietnam has a Catholic religion as well, you can find many churches, from small ones to big churches as well. I think this is the second really beautiful church that I see in Vietnam. The first one was in Vung Tau in the previous video. Well, the video before, where they built a new church. And this church it's like a castle, you know. So beautiful. Look at that fence in here. It's like defense wall in here, you know. And it's quite high as well. And this is definitely a European style. I was reading a little bit, so they've got influenced by the Europeans. Wow, nicely decorated, prepared for the Christmas. Can we go around? Okay. So do you want to take picture around here? Okay. Now bây giờ muốn quay video và 10 phút và take picture, okay? Okay, so we're gonna go around and we're gonna explore this church around. I think these kids they come here to pray, maybe to sing, and they can show me around, you know. They're happy to show me around. Actually, it's good timing, guys. I'm so happy that I came here. So that's the back of the church. I mean, it's probably for maybe parkings for the storage. Some house in here. Some nice decorations. And that's the other side, guys. Look at this castle, these blocks. I love this building. I love this church, it's so beautiful. Wow. So people probably who traveling in Vietnam, they don't expect to see these kind of churches because they probably thinking about temples, you know, Buddhism. But no, Vietnam has about 7 million, as I mentioned, maybe not. Vietnam has about 7 million Catholics, which makes about 7% of Vietnam's population, you know, and it's a big number. And the place where I live, there are many Catholics as well. So this place is Ho Nai, and there are many Catholics in here. And you know, some locals saying that the police, they don't want to come to Ho Nai because of that. But it's maybe just a rumors, guys, you know. Okay, let's concentrate on this beauty in here. Right, so we just went around this church, and that's the side in here. Look at the size. Massive, massive church. It's, you know, I've seen some castles in the past in England, and that looks something probably like England style or maybe France. Wow, really, really beautiful, guys. Okay, so the praying is finished. They close the gates, but we can go a little bit closer to see how it looks like. You've seen the open gates before the video, before it started. Okay, so it's going this way. I think we're gonna have a chat with these kids in here. Hello! Xin chào mọi người! Okay, so there are so many kids in here and they all want to say hello to me. I think I will stay here a little bit just to make some photos. I think they want to make some photos. Hello! Okay, once again, at this other side of the church, nice decorations. Christmas, guys. Yes, Christmas in Vietnam. People ready, look at that. How beautiful is it? You got some kind of tree in here. They put some lights. How beautiful is that, guys? No, you don't expect this from places like this, I believe, but it's all there, guys. You've seen most of it. You've seen around, you've seen inside as well, and maybe I can have a little interview with the kids as well. Well, I already had it. Wow, very beautiful, very beautiful, very beautiful. Do you want to take some pictures? Do you want to take some pictures?
Nói trình độ tiếng Anh của nhau vẫn còn non.
Trình độ tiếng Anh.
Trình độ tiếng Anh. English level. Okay, maybe we can take some pictures. Okay, so I will finish video. Okay, one more time, guys. Okay, guys, so if you like this video, please like it, subscribe it. I will hang out with these kids a little bit, maybe take some pictures, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Goodbye.